and there go 3 magpies flying off to their nest. Well, this little hole on the ground here is the ceremonial fire pit. We're going to be having a big bonfire later on this year. Once the burning season is underway, we're going to fill it up with all the old weeds that we've dried out, things with lots of seeds on, old Christmas trees, logs, twigs, and anything else that needs to be burned. Christmas trees, nasturtiums, nettles. Right, so that's our burning pile just started for 2019. An old Christmas tree underneath it. There's a bit of air underneath it so that all the vegetation on top can dry out. And as you can see, the burning pile's grown a bit since the last time we were here. There's lots of seeds and weeds and roots and things on here, stuff that we couldn't normally compost. It's all going to go up in flames and make this lovely wood ash. Our next step is to get a black plastic sheet and cover it over to keep the rain off it, because there's some rain due tomorrow. I want this whole lot to be kept bone dry for when we have the bonfire once the burning season starts later in the year. This lovely old big stone that's on top. Weigh it down. It's a perfect, glorious winter's morning. Perfect day for a bonfire, so just going to whip the plastic off. And of course, a little safety first. Get the watering can. Quickly tip these with the homemade fire letters on there. We have a fire! The fire god has been invoked. There we go, just putting some wooden slats on. And the fire's going really nicely. Got the heat up. Now we're going to put the Christmas tree on. Yes! Christmas trees make great bonfire additions. They really give off a lot of heat. There we go. Looks like we managed to get everything on the fire. Leave that to burn down for a few more hours. It's the morning after. The fire's died down and cooled off a bit. Yeah, look at this beautiful ash, soft, fluffy, creamy wood ash. And if you add this to the crops just when they're beginning to fruit, it increases the yield because it provides the nutrients the plants need to produce an extra heavy crop. So I'm going to bag this up in a minute and store it ready for next summer. Spade, sieve, a bucket. Scoop it up with the spade. And we've got a little sieve here, as you can see. Brush it through the sieve. It's so soft and light. Shake, shake, shake. And here's the finished product. Perfect, creamy, soft, white ash. Perfect fertilizer. Look at all that. So that's our bonfire. Yay, thanks to the fire god for that one. A bit tidy up. Put tools away. Spade, buckets. Looks like our bonfire this year has been a real success.